Hello everyone, yo soy Viviana and today we continue with the serie about the verb to be in Spanish. In the previous videos we talked about the personal pronouns, how and when to use the verb ser, and when to use the verb estar, but today we will be talking about the conjugation of the verb estar. If you have not yet seen the previous videos, I leave you the links in the description box, so you can see them in order and this will be easy for you. And remember that you can get the PDF of this lesson for free. Now let's get started and don't worry because we will go step by step. These are the personal pronouns in English. Let's see their conjugation in the verb estar. I'm in Spanish mean yo. The conjugation is yo estoy. Yo estoy. You in Spanish is used in two ways. The first form is informal. Informal forms is for friends or for family. But the second form is formal. Formal is used when you want to talk with respect. Then, the informal form is tú. And the conjugation is tú estás. Tú estás. You in formal forms is usted. Then the conjugation is usted está. Usted está. You are. He in Spanish is él. The conjugation is él está. Él está. He is. She in Spanish means ella. The conjugation is ella está. Ella está, she is. Did you hear that alarm? This alarm means that in Spanish there isn't the pronoun it. But this topic is long, and to avoid confusion, then we must talk about it in another video. In previous videos, we're talking about the pronoun we. When we use this pronoun, we need to think in the gender because if you are talking about a group made up for men and women, you need to use nosotros. Then the conjugation is nosotros. Nosotros estamos. Nosotros estamos. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use nosotras. Nosotras estamos. For the pronoun they, also we need to think in the gender because if we are talking about a group made up for men or men and women, we need to use ellos. Ellos están. They are. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use ellas están. Ellas están. They are. The only pronouns that have equal conjugation form are you, formal form, usted está, he, él está, and she, ella está. Now we will look at examples where we will practice the conjugation form of each pronoun with the verb estar and remember when we should use it. Now we will start with the pronoun I. I mean yo. The conjugation is yo estoy. Yo estoy. Yo estoy en la casa. I am in the house. I use yo estoy because I am talking about my location. Yo estoy en la casa. Yo estoy trabajando. I use yo estoy because I am talking about what am I doing. Yo estoy trabajando. Okay, before to go on with this example, you need to know something. In Spanish, when you are talking about a feeling or maybe about an adjective, you need to think in the gender. For example, in English, you say, I'm tired, but in Spanish, if you are a man, you need to say, yo estoy cansado. Then, if you are woman, you need to say, yo estoy cansada. Then, this adjective or feeling, you need to say the different form if you have a specific gender. But I need to explain that in other video because this topic is very long. Okay, in this example, yo estoy cansada. I am tired. You use yo estoy because I am talking about my feeling. Yo estoy con María. I am with María. I use yo estoy because I am talking about with who I am. The personal pronoun you in informal form is tú. The conjugation is tú estás. Tú estás, you are. Tú estás en la casa. You are in the house. You use tú estás because you are talking about your location. Remember, you use the informal form when you are talking with your friends. Tú estás trabajando. You are working. You use tú estás because you are talking about what are you doing. Tú estás trabajando. Tú estás cansada o tú estás cansado. Depends of the gender. You are tired. You use tú estás because you are talking about your feeling. Tú estás con María. You are with María. You use tú estás because you are talking about with who you are. Tú estás con María. You informal form mean in Spanish usted. The conjugation is usted está. Usted está en la casa. You are in the house. We use usted está because we are talking about the location. Remember, we use formal form when we need to talk with respect. Usted está trabajando. You are working. We use usted está because we are talking about what are you doing. Usted está trabajando. Usted está cansado or usted está cansada. Remember, the adjective or the feelings depend of the gender. Usted está cansada for woman. You are tired. You use usted está cansada because you are talking about your feelings. Or usted está cansado for men. You use usted está cansado, you are tired, because you are talking about your feelings. Usted está con María. You are with María. You use usted está because you are talking about with who you are. Usted está con María. The personal pronouns she in Spanish is ella. The conjugation is ella está. Ella está en la casa. She is in the house. We use ella está because we are talking about the location. Ella está en la casa. Ella está trabajando. She is working. We use ella está because we are talking about what is she doing. Ella está cansada. She is tired. We use ella está because we are talking about her feelings. Ella está con María. She is with María. We use ella está because we are talking about with who is she. The personal pronouns he in Spanish mean él. The conjugation is él está. Él está en la casa. He is in the house. We use él está because we are talking about the location. Él está en la casa. Él está trabajando. He is working. We use él está because we are talking about what is he doing. él está trabajando. Él está cansado. He is tired. We use él está because we are talking about the feelings. Él está cansado. Él está con María. He is with María. We use él está because we are talking about with who is he. Remember, the pronoun it in Spanish don't exist. In the pronoun we, you need to think in the gender. If you are talking about a group made up only for men or men and women, you use nosotros estamos. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use nosotras estamos. Nosotros estamos en la casa. Nosotros is for a group made up for men. Nosotros estamos en la casa. We are in the house. And nosotras estamos en la casa if you are talking a group made up only for women. Then we use nosotros or nosotras estamos because we are talking about the location. Nosotros estamos trabajando or nosotras estamos trabajando. Depend of the gender. We are working. But we use nosotros estamos or nosotras estamos because we are talking about what are we doing. Nosotros estamos cansados or nosotras estamos cansadas. We are tired. We use nosotros estamos cansados or nosotras estamos cansadas because we are talking about our feelings. Nosotras estamos con María or nosotros estamos con María. We are with María. We use nosotros or nosotras estamos because we are talking about with who we are. In the pronoun they, you need to think in the gender because if you are talking about a group made up for men or men and women, you use ellos están. But if you are talking about a group made up only for women, you need to use ellas están. Ellos están en la casa. They are in the house. We use ellos están because we are talking about the location. Ellos están or ellas están. Ellos están trabajando. They are working. We use ellos están because we are talking about what are they doing. Ellos están cansados. They are tired. We use ellos están because we are talking about their feelings. Ellos están con María. They are with María. We use ellos están because we are talking about with who they are. Now you know how and when to use the verb ser. Let's see how this verb is used in a conversation. Hola Pedro, ¿dónde estás? Hi Pedro, where are you? Hola María, yo estoy en la biblioteca. Hi María, I'm in the library. ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Yo estoy estudiando. I'm studying. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Yo estoy cansado. I'm tired. ¿Con quién estás? Who are you with? Yo estoy con María. I am with María. Remember, we use ¿dónde estás? Because we are talking about the location. We use yo estoy en la biblioteca because we are talking about the location. We use ¿qué están haciendo? Because we are talking about what do you doing. We use yo estoy estudiando because we are talking about what do you doing. We use ¿cómo estás? Because we are talking about your feelings. How are you? Good? Bad? Okay. We use yo estoy cansado because we are talking about the feelings. We use ¿con quién estás? Because we are talking about with who you are. And I use yo estoy con María because we are talking about with who María is. In this lesson, I'm going to leave you a homework. Write me in the comments phrases with the verb estar, and I'll be checking your answer. In the next video, we will be doing a lot exercise with the verb ser and the verb estar. If you liked this video and it helped you, I invite you to follow the page and like it. I'll be posting every week. See you soon!